I'm sure we've all wondered why our stomach growls when we're hungry. That strange sound is caused by your digestive system constantly moving even when your stomach is empty. As food leaves your stomach, muscles inside your digestive tract begin contracting rhythmically, pushing around air, fluids, and leftover particles. These movements create vibrations inside your stomach and intestines, producing the growling sounds you hear. When your stomach is empty, those sounds become even louder because there's less food available to absorb the noise. Your brain can also trigger these contractions when it expects food, which also explains why simply smelling or thinking about food can make your stomach growl. So the next time your stomach makes noise, just know that your body may already be preparing itself to eat.